Hello everyone, this is Life Microskill. Today's knot article introduces a bottle knot to you. This knot has been handed down since ancient time. Many people use it to lift bottles. Let's see how to do it. We set up a rope. Fold the rope in half. Then fold it in half. 2 loops of rope are formed. It's like a pair of scissors. The top loop is down. The loop below. The part that crosses in the middle. Give it another twist. After a twist, my left hand is basically unable to extend. The left hand pulls the place where it was folded in half just now. Don't move here. Pull the 2 outermost loops on the left. Hold it up and down. The left hand can pull out the place where it was folded in half just now. Pull it out and the knot is ready. After pulling it out, if it doesn't take shape, you can adjust it. Adjust it to look like this. This loop in the middle of the knot, we can adjust it larger or smaller. If the set of objects is large, we can adjust its size. Each link in this knot is interlocked. It's very sturdy. Put it on this bottle. Any indentation is very strong and firm. If you tie some bottles, it doesn't slip off. It's very sturdy. This knot was called a 5 silk bottle knot in ancient times. Used to hang bottles, hold it in your hand. Hanging on the wall is very strong and firm. It is very practical in life. Have you learned this bottle knot? Well, today's video will be shared here. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and follow us. See you next time. Bye.